So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can make the text glow effect on Premiere Pro very easily. Now in order to do it, let's say I have this text that is right there. Uh, Over there, if I show you now here, let's say this is the text that I have added to the timeline right there. Now if I want to add the glow effect to this particular text, all you need to do is to just simply select that particular text, go to the effect control panel and expand this text section and scroll down, and here you'll see this option of shadow and stroke. So just simply select the stroke right there, set the color to, let's say if I want to glow it like something yellow, I just simply do it, and then you can see I have set it to the outer. And another thing that you can do is just simply select the enable the shadows as well and pick the marker, choose the marker and select again, let's say the yellow glowing effect right there. And I can customize the glow effect radius as well, just make it a little bit blur so that it looks even more authentic glow. Here you can see, now you can see I have used the shadow effect just to make the glow effect on the text very easily. Now if I even make the changes to this particular text, it has been made the changes to all the text on this particular text. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.